These are the reserve props out of the stores. They're going to put them on while the ones come back from Canada. Okay, thank you.
Flattered to all these ones.
Yeah.
So these are the old ones just about.
Did you make them or didn't you?
Yeah, I've made all these, yeah. There's 4 of them. They're all on there.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
A couple inside and a couple out here. And then it's just new ones to fit these on really.
Yeah.
And then to line these. We had to make new bottoms of them. Because they were a bit dodgy down inside, I think.
Yeah. And they fit along the...
Inside the fuel line. Just around underneath where the turret is there. Just under there on the back of the radio. So it's all cables and pulleys around them which go through these like lightning holes and what have you. So.
Yeah. Good, thank you. The mid turret, there isn't one on this one. It came without one, didn't it?
Correct, yeah.
Will you be putting one back in? You will be putting one. Yeah.
It'd be probably the 250 over there. That's the one it should have, yeah. It was the first Mark 7 built.
Yeah.
So it was the first one with the 250 fitted, production.
Oh.
But
it'd be in the way at the moment, would it?
Be in the way, yeah. Well, even having said that, the Canadians have got a Martin turret, and they just use a cupola at the top.
Sorry, use it.
They've just put the perspex on. They haven't got any of the guts inside.
Oh, yeah.
So, well, they've got guns and that, but nothing that will sort of restrict access. That's a long way off, yeah.
Yeah.
Long way. But, I think.
The propellers have come back from Canada now. Got them out of customs and to be assembled and ready for fitting on. These are the props that have come back from Canada. Wheels fitted back on. The rudder is nearing completion. Dummy gun sticking out of the side. When the Pantons bought this aircraft, this is how it came, just with the dome, no guns. This is the turret which should have been fitted to the Lancaster. When it came out in 1945, it was fitted with a Martin CE 250 23A turret, which this one is. The panel has been riveted back into the position. Keith applying the adhesive to put the tape on to make the to seal it to make it waterproof.
It's too cold in here.
Sorry, it's what?
It's too cold in
Oh,
here.
is it?
For the adhesive, it's just taking forever to go off, and of course the tape's lifting in the time it's taking the adhesive to go off. So it's a pain in the... Doesn't help with this sort of stuff.
No.
Rise on heat to dry out.